Hello, thank you so much for checking out and joining my pass-fail course. I wanted to make this introduction video to welcome you and personally thank you from the bottom of my heart. I am so excited to get this journey started with you. There's going to be a ton of content. We're going to be integrating material across different organ systems. And more importantly, we're going to be focusing on application and test-taking strategies so that you can really augment your performance when it comes to your blocks, as well as your NBME scores and ultimately exam day. So I wanted to go through a quick broad overview as to how the curriculum is set up and also highlight key features that I think will help you as you are going through this learning process. Now, as you know, you will be going to the pass-fail course, which is right here. And once you enroll, you will be sent to the pass-fail course dashboard. Now, this dashboard has all of the lectures, and what you will first see are the various course notes. Now, these course notes are the handouts from the different sections of the course. And what you can do is you can use these course notes to follow along. I do recommend that you can even use first aid to follow along with my lectures as well, whatever you feel most comfortable and most familiar. Now, the NBME top concepts portion of this course with each organ system, those notes actually can be found on Amazon and they can actually be printed to your study space in this nice very colorful book that you can annotate and highlight, and many students have found so much benefit in that. The first portion of this course notes actually gives you a way for you to schedule your pass-fail course, kind of like a study plan. You have the plan type, whether you're doing this in 14 days or 28 days, how many videos you need to get done per day, and how much time it will take you to go through these videos in single speed. As you see, it's just a minority of the day. So if you're in a dedicated study period, you're able to do questions in the morning, review those questions, and then go into this pass-fail course. Also, I do recommend this course as you're going through your individual medical school blocks, because as this is organ systems based, it will help optimize your performance on your school exams as well. The first portion of this course is really going to be building the foundations and the fundamentals. You will start with general pathology, i.e. chapters 1 through 3 of pathoma in a very integrative, active recall way. You will then pivot and go into immunology. After immunology, you will be going through hypersensitivities. Now, hypersensitivities are rampant on NBME exams, and I wanted to go through the 4 types of hypersensitivities, but also put in some integrations related to pathology. For example, we'll go through pernicious anemia, we'll go through anaphylaxis, etc. The next portion will be biochemistry. Now, I've tried to simplify biochemistry because I know that there is so much information. The pathways, the various enzymes can get so confusing. So what I do in the biochemistry section is I start big picture and then we go into the specific enzymes, and I like to integrate endocrinology, because in endocrinology you have the various hormones and they modulate the various biochemistry pathways. After biochemistry, I like to go through genetics and particularly emphasize the various syndromes that will be seen on your USMLE exam. Now, these syndromes end up coming under the content domain or the test domain of multi-system processes. This domain will be seen on your NBME score reports as well as your USMLE final report, and that's why I wanted to go through the multi-system effects of these various syndromes. After you're done with the foundations, which I just covered, you will go through individual organ systems. This is so important because each organ system is going to be organized as physiology first, pathophysiology next, and then pharmacology. As you can see, cardiology, we start with physiology. Then you will go through NBME top concepts, which goes through a little bit more pathophysiology. And then you will go into pharmacology. After you do a certain cluster of organ systems, What I wanted to go through is the first aid rapid review for the USMLE. Essentially, what you will be doing here is you will be doing a quick revision of the systems you covered: cardio, endo, and autonomics, for example. These rapid review videos are really good for when you are a couple days before your exam. You can stack all 4 of those rapid review videos together, and within 4 hours or so, you're able to, the night before your exam, kind of have a rapid review of the various concepts throughout this course. The other portion that I wanted to highlight is the application portion of this course. Now, this feature is so unique because what I wanted to do is have an opportunity for you to apply the concepts that I will be covering throughout the course. What I want you to do is recommend you to actually look at the video, go through the video, and then afterwards do customized UWorld questions so that you can really augment your application. Underneath each video, I put a customized set of UWorld USMLE Step 1 questions. Now, these are specific question IDs. They don't really mean much, but what they do is they map the specific questions related to, in this case, necrosis. Now, what you'll do is you'll take these numbers, you will copy these numbers, and you'll go into your UWorld dashboard. Now, when you go into your UWorld dashboard, you will end up coming into a screen like this. This is a pretty familiar screen to you because this is how you create a block. But what you will do is you'll hit custom block right here. And you will enter the question IDs just by pasting it right in this enter question ID separated by columns or comma box. And then you will hit generate test. This will allow for you to really figure out how the concepts are tested, and hopefully this will allow for that retention long term. Do the video, then do the question. You'll go through this course step by step. I hope that this course brings you value in your preparation. Make sure you're always assessing yourself with NBMEs, and I so look forward to hearing from you, hearing your feedback. If you have any questions at all, feel free to email me, Rahul at HyGuru.com. Again, RAHUL at HyGuru.com. And I would be more than happy to answer questions and walk you through the journey. Thanks so much for your time. Welcome to the HyGuru course. Can't wait to get started. Go ahead and start building those foundations.